In this video, we're going to take a tour of this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch-style home here in Piedmont, South Carolina. Hey there, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Today we are going to take a tour of this beautiful 4-bedrooms, 2-bathroom home here in Piedmont, South Carolina. This property has open floor plan, 2-car garage, there's a gas fireplace, covered patio. Let's go inside and check it out. Come on in. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. Now, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, give us a call here at Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.